Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and there is a update for Google Chrome. The security update that we have every week is released. It was released late yesterday, October 24th, sorry, and it is actually rolling out still today, October 25th. So the weekly Google Chrome update is there. Simply go to your Chrome browser, then go to the upper right corner, the three vertical dots, Help, and About Google Chrome. You will be pushed at version 118.0.5993.117 on Mac and Linux, 117 or 118 on Windows. It contains two high severity security flaws. They are not exploded in the walls, so that means that they're high severity but not critical. Interesting to see, but that's the way Google works. The two security flaws, only one is actually disclosed, and it's the one that was disclosed by a external security firm that talked about it, and it addresses an update in Chrome, of course. So it basically is a access to a memory location that has been freed that is not a desired behavior, where you can actually inject code and do some bad things. Now, the other one, it's we don't know, because Google actually discovered, the Google team discovered it. And when it's actually an internal discovery, they never disclose what it is and where it's at, so that bad guys or hackers out there cannot really, know where to go and where to find it. So the least information possible, the better it is for security for everybody. So two security flaws fixed. Of course, that means that the Edge and all Chromium-based browsers will eventually have that probably this week. The security flaw last week did not get into Microsoft Edge eventually last week. So I would guess this week we probably will have a Edge update for the security flaws of this week, and probably will have last week, unless, like I said, the flaw of last week isn't a Chromium problem, but more of a Google Chrome problem itself. So check it out. New Google Chrome update for security fixes. High severity, two flaws. High severity, very important to fix it. It is your first line of defense. You use Google Chrome to go on the web. And of course, that means that staying safe in Chrome helps you stay safe in the PC overall. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe. Give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.